Alright guys, so today, you can already see in the title, but I went on eBay, I bought a couple cheap drones. So the first drone I got is this one. Today, this one is what we're going to talk about, and it says 3 plus on it, and it literally does look like it's made for 3-year-olds. This one I have not opened yet, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to crack it open quick. Let me grab one of my knives, I'll be right back. So I lied, I ended up not needing a knife. So this drone, if I remember correctly, let me look quick. Let me just double check. Let's see how much this is. So this drone was $10. So this drone was $10, guys. Here it is listed on eBay, just for proof, and I will screenshot this, and I will throw it at the end of the video so you guys can see it. And today I just want to test. I want to see what you get for $10 for a drone. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Let's see. Don't want to break it. Which actually, you know, it's in pretty good quality. But it is just a motorcycle styling. It doesn't actually like drive like a motorcycle, like on the ground, if that makes sense. So there it is. Here is the radio. For the radio, we'll need AAAs. I gotta go see if I got AAAs. I don't know if I have any. So let me do that quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Got the AAAs for the remote. And I mean, if you look, this remote is like extremely cheap, which is expected. But I mean, it doesn't even look like it has full. Yeah, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Let's read into the instructions a little bit. Let's see if they're in English. Products include: you get the aircraft, you get a description booklet, you get a small screwdriver, you get a USB charger, and that. So trick buttons. Your bottom, your left side is going to be ground flight, so you can fly it on the ground. I don't know what that means. We'll check it out. And then it has a roll function, which we'll try to do in here, but I don't know if my arms are big enough. So charging method, just plug it right in somewhere here. Okay, so this is your charging cable. It doesn't have an indicator light on or anything, which is really weird. It says 60 to 70 minutes for charging time, but what can you really ask for when it comes to $10 drone? So I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna turn the radio on. Okay, so it looks like it is totally dead. Night. So yeah, it is totally dead, guys. I will charge it, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm sorry, I lied. It does have an indicator light. The thing actually flew pretty smooth there, so when it's done charging, we'll try it out again. I'll be right back. We're gonna let it charge for 60-70 minutes, and then we'll see what happens. Thank you. Alright guys, so the drone charged for about an hour. So I just want to show you how you activate this drone. Push this one up, then down. So now we're going to go ahead and fly it. I gotta say guys, it flies pretty decent for being only $10. So now what we're going to do, okay, so that's what the ground out button means. The ground out button just grounds it. It takes to the ground for you. Wow, look at that. I actually did just do a roll in my room. Kind of funny. I didn't think I'd be able to do that. Ooh. Okay, so there's one of the issues. So if you guys do crash, just make sure you press that ground out button to put it back down on the ground. You should be good to go. Alright guys, so I'm going to fly it now a little bit for you. It flies pretty good, but it don't fly as good as your average drone. See if I can do another flip in here. Okay, so be careful when you're doing. So here we go, guys. I'm going to put it back in the air. You see, not too shabby of a little drone. You can't ask for much more for $10, you know. Pretty good price. It is very slow operating though. And you do not have any adjustments for yaw rate or any rates on this. It's just one rate, and that's what it is. But I'll say it flies pretty darn good for what it is. For $10, you can't really complain. It's mild enough that I feel like maybe someone who's a kid could fly it. But it's not too mild that it's boring to fly. Pretty cool little drone. I would suggest buying it. Pretty loud little thing though. Yeah, it's like a racetrack going flying around. That little thing goes. Kind of neat looking. So now if you're up in the air, you press that ground out button on the left side, just takes it right to the ground. Press it again, and you can rearm the drone, and you can fly it. Simple enough. Pretty nice little feature they added on here for that. You don't have to really just land it. That makes sense, I guess. Makes it easier for kids. Let's try doing a flip again. That was kind of cool. That was to the side. Try it again. Oh, really cool. Just if you're in a small room, guys, be careful when you're doing stuff like that. Make sure you know how to fly. I've been flying a long time, and this little drone's quite a little handful, actually. Pretty cool. It does have a flip feature on it though for $10. I mean, you can't complain. I may even buy a second one of these just because they're so cheap. I got this in about 3 days. I'm in Minnesota. It came from California. This is a Chinese product though, of course. Oh. Okay, so now it's dead. Go ahead and land it. So there you go, guys. As you can see, cool little drone. For $10, you can't really complain. The tires are made out of like a cheap plastic rubber. I mean, it's all plastic, nothing too spectacular. Get your little off switch here, turn it off. That's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you did like this video and you want to see me do the $20 drone review off of eBay, leave me a comment and subscribe, guys, if you never subscribed before. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's a little sneak peek at my next video, guys. Let me know, do you want to see me take this outside and fly it? You want to see a review on this? Let me know, and I'll get that review up.